Hey, hello everyone. I know it's been a very long time since I've uploaded a video, but this is the unboxing of the Pixel 7 Pro. I have right here the Pixel 7 Pro and my Galaxy S22 Ultra. I don't have my 6 Pro right now as a comparison because I had to charge the battery, but I'll get right to it. And pretty easy unboxing. They leave these little nice strips you can just peel off to take off the box. Pretty excited. It's been a long time since I did an unboxing video. So I initially ordered the hazel, but I changed my mind and changed to the white, the cloud or whatever they call it. What is it called? It's I don't know. Anyway, it's the white model, and this is the model I actually liked. I really like the look of the phone. I think I'm gonna really enjoy it, and it's gonna probably replace my S22 Ultra, which I really enjoyed. So right now, just a look around the phone. It's very similar, to the 6 Pro, other than the little difference in the camera band, which looks. I like the look of it. I like the rounded corners also. So I know some reviewers don't like they like a more square phone, but I actually like the rounded corners, and it's kind of just slightly round, so it's not that bad. But it has the same power and volume rocker on the right side. I was hoping they put the power button lower where you can reach it, but I think they moved the power and volume rocker a little lower, so it's actually not that bad. It's a lot better than the 6 Pro where you had to reach kind of all the way up to turn on the power. So I'm gonna power it on. See how it looks. Looks good. I like it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my SIM card in and kind of set things up and have a look around it. As the Pixel is powering up, we can take a look what's in the box. Not much, just a power cable, OTG cable to if you want to transfer your data from phone to phone. I really can do it just from USB to C to USB-C since all my phones are newer, and I don't really need the OTG cable, but it's good to have. I don't see a SIM ejection tool in here, which is surprising. Let me see. Oh, there it is. It's in the packaging. So here's a SIM ejection tool. So I'm gonna get that SIM ejected out of my S22 and put it in the Pixel. The Pixel started up. Here's the startup screen. Welcome to Pixel. It's got like a nice little haptic feedback. So I gotta connect to my my network and install my SIM. So I'll be right back. So I've got my SIM in and it's activating. Just switched it to put my Google Fi SIM. The SIM tray is on the side, just like on the 6 Pro. So let me connect to my Wi-Fi network. All right, I entered my Wi-Fi password. SIM's in. Phone's still setting up. And you have to excuse me, it's been a while since I've done these unboxings in front of the camera. But right off the bat, I really like the phone. Like I said, I like the feel of it. I like the feel of the 6 Pro. My really favorite part is this camera band. I just think it looks a little more classier and nice. But it's still kind of a glossy matte, well not matte, but just glossy back glass. I think it's Gorilla Glass. I don't know if it's Invictus or 6, but it's the latest Gorilla Glass. So right now it wants me to connect to my old phone. So I don't know if I'm gonna do my Pixel 6 Pro. I think I'm gonna do my Galaxy S22 Ultra because that's the phone I've been using the most. So I'll do that and come back and we'll have a look at the phone. Hey, and I'm back. Okay, I've got the phone set up, but there's some things I'm trying to get used to. It's a little different, and it could be just Android 13. But right off, the fingerprint scanner works a little better. You still got to press it. See, it didn't work. It's kind of bad because it didn't work good there, but it works a little better, but you still have to press it really good to get it to work. It's not like the S22 where you just kind of tap it and it comes on really easy. So that's something to get used to, but I would say it's probably slightly better than the Pixel, which It don't seem like it right now on the camera. But right now, just a few things I'm trying to get used to. Like I said, it's probably just Android 13. You can't move apps around as easily as you could just in stock Android like in the past. You can it's still pretty easy, but basically it's kind of weird. It's got that little dot, little rectangular showing you where. Before in Android, you just move it wherever. It was no dot. But anyway, that's not really that big of a deal, but it's a little different, and it's taken some time to get used to. I've been playing around with it. Initially, I couldn't find the app grid. It was nowhere to be found. Usually, it's in wallpapers and settings, wallpapers and style. It's right here, app grid. But initially, it wasn't there. So I restarted the phone, and it now it's there. So that was just a little glitch. But it's a few minor things. There's some apps that are coming up in the notification that I can't get rid of, so I had to install them. They just kept popping up. A few minor glitches here and there, just stuff to get used to. But so far, I like it. But it's just a few minor things that they changed that I have to get used to in Android 13. And I have Android 13 on my Pixel, but I haven't really been using it that much. But anyway, to compare the Pixel 6 Pro to the Pixel 7 Pro, like you said, from the front, you really can't tell the difference. The notifications a little bit different. The always-on display, I should say, is a little bit different. But everything else is kind of the same. You still have the little at a glance at the top with the weather. And, I have a 5x5 grid that I finally found after I restarted the phone. The little Google icon search thing at the bottom is a little bit different. Not that actually it looks just about the same. But anyway, it's very similar other than the back, and the color, the back. Like I think I had Cloud White. This was called Cloud White on the 6 Pro. And this white is a little bit whiter, the white now that they have. And I actually like this better. And then I also, like I said before, I like the metal camera band. But just a few things I'm trying to get used to. It's a little different, but I do like it so far. Didn't install all my apps. I actually didn't transfer any of my apps from my Galaxy S22 Ultra because I didn't want any Samsung apps to get accidentally transferred. But after I logged into my Google account, it pretty much downloaded a lot of my apps that I like to use anyway. But it's a few more that I'm gonna have to download. But so far, I like the phone. I'm gonna have to test it out, do a review of it. But so far, I like it. It just takes some getting used to. Android 13 is a little different. Some things I like about it is just some things I have to get used to and play around with it. Like I said, I still get these phones, but I haven't really been diving really deep into them like I used to, but I'm going to have to do that. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope this was informational for you. Look forward to a review in the future. Have a nice day.